Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing of the new release of the Imperial Infantryman's Handbook. This is book released by Black Library or Games Workshop. Here is the pricing of the book if you are interested. These are not marked as limited edition. Certainly there were a lot of them because they did not sold out like the limited edition books in let's say 10 to 15 minutes. So they were readily available not only through Games Workshop but also through their distributors or resellers. So this is a updated version from last year. If you did see my video, I have showed you the previous version side by side. So the previous version, the green one, was released back in April 27th, 2019. Was also done by Graham McNeil. It had 192 pages, and this one has an addition of, let's say, 16 pages. Yeah. So the new release was from September 29th, and it contains 208 pages. So let us open it up. So it has a really nice, they call it Flexibound. It has similar texture to leather, but it's probably some kind of plastic. Let's compare them. So as you can see, here we have a nice texture, and this is just flat. The Imperial Aquila is embossed, of course, to the material. Really nicely made. So the content. This one has, of course, the Imperial Munitorum manual, the Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting primer, the Benediction of the Emperor, and the inspiration source and uplifting creed for all infantrymen. So this is the same as the previous version. So I open it up. So if you are a fan of Warhammer 40,000, then this is one really nice book for not only for collectors but also for enthusiasts. And this is always nice to see, printed by the Emperor's own press on Ultima Libris. And they really go the extra mile to immerse you into the lore. So let me So like the previous version, this is mostly a manual for your Astra Militarum on or the Guardsman. You have a description of weapons, some tactics. Let me see the page count quickly. Where is it? Probably on the other side. So here we have the extra pages. These are nice blue. So these are the Benedictions. Common prayers for the soldier. Litanies and incantations. Look to the Emperor and he will provide. So here I have a few medical instructions. I don't see where is the index. Content, here it is. There is no page count. Really interesting. So there is no index. What is where on which page? Let me look at the previous version. So this looks the same. So this is interesting. So the Uplifting primer has 175 pages. This one has 177, so definitely 78. Definitely they added a few pages. And the benedictions are not marked. So yeah. We have also a page keeper. It is nicely hidden right here. So black one, like on the previous version. Okay, so yes, for me it's a must-have. Also this version, and but I really do like they did revive the Uplifting primer, because this was the one of the earliest versions. It was thin but nicely bound, hard cover. Is the pricing on the old one. As these go for astronomical prices. I saw one for $400, which is Yeah, incredible. So they have certainly did update a lot of stuff inside. This old one had only 96 pages, so definitely they added a lot of new stuff. So yeah, this was a unboxing, a quick look on the Imperial Infantryman's Handbook, the version from 2020. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also unboxings of books and hobby stuff like Warhammer, miniature making and building these kind of plastic kits. So thanks for watching, and Emperor protects.